Terry Hughes, and I'm honored to lead the Center for Nonprofit Management. This past year has been heavy and racked with significant challenges for our entire community. I'm always in awe of the hard work and commitment of our remarkable nonprofit sector. In response to multiple crises facing our area, nonprofit staff and volunteers have been on the front lines. Nonprofits, especially, have had to reimagine how they operate, and they've done so against the backdrop of shifting revenue, increased demand for services, and a community that needs them now more than ever. Yet, even with those challenges, amazing stories have emerged. Stories of resilience, of collaboration, of innovation. Nonprofits have demonstrated that the services they provide are essential to the fabric of our community. Just think of the thousands of Middle Tennesseans who would have gone hungry without the help of food security organizations. And our arts and civic organizations went virtual as their stages and exhibits went dark. And then there are the needs met in housing, healthcare, and education. The list goes on. At CNM, we've been stretching, adapting, and innovating in our own work, much like our members. You know, the Amplify Impact part of our mission has taken on new meaning for us. This moment in time is a slice of history, and with all the realities of struggle, loss, and hardship, we're honored to give voice to the strength, grit, and countless contributions of our treasured nonprofits. In the weeks to come, we'll be launching the video portion of our crisis response storytelling campaign. You'll hear from a variety of stakeholders, nonprofit leaders, board members, funders, all who stood together to meet this year's constant round of challenges and who gave all they had to rise above with endless energy and heart. And now you'll hear from one of them, our presenting sponsor, PNC Bank.
Thank you, Terry. Last year was certainly a year of firsts and unexpected pivots. I'm Chelsea Peterson, PNC's Director of Client and Community Relations, and we are delighted to be a part of and support CNM's crisis response efforts. A big focus of our year was maintaining our commitments to the nonprofit sector. Nonprofit leaders, staff, and volunteers are the foundation of Nashville's success. They work day in and day out to meet our most pressing needs. When Salute pivoted from an in-person event to a selection of crisis response programming, sticking by CNM and recommitting our financial support was an easy decision for us. Serving more than 2,000 nonprofit staff through the Learning Series gave PNC the chance to be part of addressing some immediate questions and concerns in the nonprofit sector. Topics include pivoting fundraisers, updating budgets and working on contingency plans, or turning on a dime to deliver programs and services in the new virtual world. Storytelling is the way to build relationships and understand one another better. And last year was all about leaning into change and taking a step back to listen. Listen to stories of grit, hardship, determination, but also leaning into silver linings that may result in long-term organizational enhancements. As the presenting sponsor of the Salute to Excellence Nonprofit Awards, we believe deeply in uplifting, celebrating, and thanking our nonprofit community, and we want to thank their teams for all that they do.